Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you a trick how you can save on window wiper fluid on the go simply by carrying a concentrate like this one from German top brand LIQUI MOLY. It's very efficient. You can get many more dosages out of a small bottle like this one than the big ones. And most important of all, while you're on the go on the highway, you avoid the expensive gas stations. So let's fill it up together. Let's see if it smells. Let's test it out. Here we go, los kids. And this Superkonzentrat from LIQUI MOLY. This one smells like citrus. It's quite pleasant. Not a very luxurious or expensive premium smell, but still quite nice. It doesn't harm or damage any of the materials on your car, so polycarbonate, Scheibenreiniger, all these things. It's certified on the back that it's safe. And here we can see that you need to dilute it 1 to 10. So let's say 10 milliliter per 1 liter. I like to go a little bit stronger in the summer, so I'm going to do 1 to 15. Let's fill up the bottles that I've prepared. So I went on to get me 2 1-liter bottles of demineralized water, actually mineral water. It's important to use that because normal tap water may have a lot of limestone calc in it, and that's not good for the tubes of your Scheibenreiniger. You might clog them over time. So get mineral water and then first put the product in the bottle before you put it in the dispenser. What I really like about this LIQUI MOLY is that it has a dispenser on the top, and if you squeeze you can exactly get the right amount of milliliter in there. So that's very nice. I want to have 15, exactly on 15, and then you can very easily pour it into this bottle without spilling anything, but most important, also without actually overdosing. Sehr schön. The Germans have thought of everything. And again, the smell, it's very nice, citrusy, very pleasant, doesn't smell too chemical. And once it's in the bottle, this looks a bit like what I would produce after a night out on the town in the morning. Doesn't look so good, but it's very efficient window washer fluid, and we're going to put it in now. So let's put the top, sehr schön, and let's start pouring this beautiful stuff in. Let me know if you ever ran out of window washer fluid on the highway, let's say on an exotic destination abroad in the summer. You had to go to the gas station. They severely overprice you there with this window washer fluids. And this is much more price efficient, much cheaper. And on top of it, as you can see, it's super small, so you can just hide this somewhere in your car so that you never run out. So I'm going to put in my second dosage, my 2nd liter. Let's again squeeze to 50 milliliter. Okay, I went a bit over it, but it shouldn't matter. And let's pour it in. And I really like how you can do this without spilling everything. And I don't know about you, I like to spend a couple of euros more for good brands window washer fluid that are non-toxic, and don't harm, let's say, your beautiful car. And LIQUI MOLY is just one of these traditional German brands, and I trust high quality German brands, especially when it comes to car. So this is completely safe. Looks again like morning production. Let's throw it in there. Don't spill this also. Verdammt. So throwing in also the last bit into the Tesla, and that should top it up to around about 3 liters. Sehr schön. And then we'll test it out together. Verdammt. In the car. Now let's test it out on this window. I mean, it's all relatively clean. There is a bit of a bug here. Let's see if it can remove that. Here we go. Much better than the stock washer fluid that came with the car, because this one I can see foams a bit more. Very nice. Of course, in the back we don't have one because it's a sport sedan, ein Sportwagen. But in the front it's working really good, so I'll happily keep on spraying here. And I can see that this window, also this spot here, let's click on it. It's like 90% gone. All the dust is gone, all the stains are gone. So I'm quite happy with the result. And that's my review of the LIQUI MOLY Scheibenreiniger Superkonzentrat, the window washer fluid for the summer. Very nice to have in your car. For example, let's throw this uncomb side out of there. Hey, you can put it here. You can put it in the cupboard somewhere. It's very small. You can always have it with you. So if you run out, you don't need to spend 15, 20 euro for some washer fluid from some no-no brand from the tankstelle. You can just have this. I'm very happy with it. So far the performance is good. And I'm going to take this with me on my road trips. I'm wishing you a fantastic summer vacation. Drive safe. I hope you have fantastic memories. And I hope to see you again in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen.